just arrived at the Hongqiao train station in Shanghai. We're gonna get into the VIP North for the business class, and we're off to our train. Again, guided by a lovely assistant from the lounge. I really like that. You just sit and relax, you get this little number on your table, and then they come and pick you up when it's time. Passports. It's your ticket basically. Pretty cool. I've never used my passport so much before in my life. Everything, every entrance ticket, every train ticket, everything is passport. This is the newest train set. CR400AF. What a beauty. And it even has the new seats. I mean, I'm smiling from one ear to the other. Fantastic. So now let's see inside. Give you guys an overview. Just have a look at that. So those are your seats. Little pods. I mean, this is next level. Wireless charger, flatbed, the whole shebang. This is as modern as it gets. The princess, the queen.
So 350 kilometers now is cruising speed. There's no vibration, there's nothing. It's so comfy, this is unbelievable, it's out of this world.
Okay, just made a bed flat just to show it. Alright, we're almost Beijing. About 10 minutes or so, we're off the train. And then we're gonna transfer to the airport where we gonna take our flight back home. There is our fantastic train. We got picked up actually again at the train. Just got out of train and there was somebody standing waiting for us, who's gonna bring us to the right exit so we meet our driver. And picked up our driver. Already through the passport ticketing thing. Finally, after 15 days in China, I see the first Hongqi EHS9. Oh yes, look at this. This is ours exactly. This is the first one I see here. Finally! Look at that. I like the color, by the way. Looks good, no? I saw one. We're gonna see one tomorrow as well. I'll drive it back home. My red flag. Bringing us home today is a JAC van. Fancy. Refined.
Nice car.
Beautiful, no? Beautiful. Made it at the airport. Beijing. Now Air China. Check-in. 1 o'clock in the morning. Hanging in the lounge and waiting for our flight. Another 45 minutes we're gonna board. Yeah. Luckily we're gonna have business tonight. Those are hanging out. Just killing time now. Lounge from Air China is actually pretty okay. It's not much as this hour of the day. Most of the things are closed, the buffet is gone. Some noodle soups, some dumplings, some bao, drinks, beer, coffee, sodas, the usual. Nothing special. It's like 45 minutes we're gonna hit the road and go down to our flight. Tonight's gonna be 777-300. We got assigned the row 16 something, more or less together. Let's see. Hoping for light load. Good flight. It's gonna be a red eye, so we're gonna sleep. Try to sleep as much as possible. That's the plan. Alright, that is us. Let's go. Bit tired, but on our way.
Hello, welcome aboard.
Morning. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, welcome aboard.
Okay, here we are. Looks alright. As usual, unfiltered.
女士们、先生们。
Breakfast time. Just had a good night's sleep. Well, good night's sleep. Left around 5-6 hours. It's actually pretty nice. Comfortable. The crew is amazing. They're super nice, super friendly. So we would have our mandatory dumplings and bao. Some rice pudding, I guess. Fruits, some pickled vegetables. Yeah, this preserved egg. And I got myself a pastry, at least something. Waiting for my second coffee now, and then we can start the day. Good morning from Munich. We landed almost an hour after schedule. We had a on-time departure, but delayed arrival. Must be wind or weather, whatever. But we're here. Just went to the lounge, which is super crowded. Terminal K, also Terminal 2, exit K. So we had to fight to get some seats. Girls are awake. Well, actually, good night's sleep on the plane. It was really nice. Service was perfect. I mean, really good. Breakfast that we had. I mean, we skipped the lunch. I don't know what that was. We just slept.
Yeah, I don't know.
Breakfast was, not something I need.
But the Chinese,
The Chinese one. Yeah.
breakfast, they run out of Western options.
Now we're gonna catch our flight down to Oslo, and then for Oslo onwards to Trondheim. And here it is, our ride. The baby Airbus, the 220 from Air Baltic, flying for Lufthansa this day. Right, business class, boarding group 2. We're in already. Actually pretty nice. Very spacious, no? Have a look. Very spacious. Space is pretty good. And the courtesy block that's here beside me is a 2 and 3 configuration. Very nice. Pretty new aircraft. Love the space. This aircraft is so quiet, this is unbelievable. Wow. It is time for the breakfast flight from Munich to Oslo. See for yourself. I got the milk coffee. Not happy. Drink coffee only black. We can fix that. Oslo. Next flight to Trondheim. I had a little crash in the lounge again. That's neat to have a quiet corner, some coffee, some apple juice and stuff. And now, let's try to get on our flight, SAS to Trondheim. Fingers crossed. SAS, they don't have business. SAS Plus it's called. We have knee contact. We made it. Landed in Trondheim. It's rainy. Now it's only 2.5 hours by car and we make it home. Get our Hongxi home. Only 1 out of 2 bags made it apparently. So we were told in Oslo that we had to actually collect our luggage and check it in again. Only 1 came, the other one got stuck in Munich. They messed it up. Lufthansa, you can do better. What happened to the German Ordnung muss sein? Unbelievable. Anyway, so we have 1 out of 2. And waiting for that one now. I hope they managed to load it in Oslo. So otherwise we're gonna leave here without bags. Funny to see. Yeah, and then I guess we get the other bag in 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Who knows? Create a report later and then we see. And the final stretch, picking up our Hongshi. So let's get going. Let's get home. You guys ready? Oh, we continue with business class here. Right? All right, let's go.